Bonjour, Nintendo ay magnatog. Binigyan nongo Anishinaabe moen geek non jigewin. Sterling the Nishnakaz, Magizi and Anishinaabe Nakazwin. Welcome to Words of the Day in Ojibwe. My name is Sterling Finlayson. Edit that last name out. Your words for today are going to do with communities. So I'm going to go down Highway 11 a bit and tell you a little bit about a couple communities. So Binja Tuabek Zaging Anishinaabe, the first peoples of the inflowing bay. So they're talking about that little bay. Well, it was called Rocky Bay before, but now it's Binja Tuabek Zaging Anishinaabe was the first peoples of the inflowing bay, inflowing water. Anambigu Zagigan Anishinaabe, which is known as AZA. So that's about the first peoples of the partridge drumming water. Then we got Bingwe Niashi Anishinaabe. So that one is Sandy Point First Nation. That's what it means, Sandy Point. Now we don't have a name for Long Lake 58 yet, but this is what I came up with. It's Gnugama Zagaigan Anishinaabe, which is the first people of the Long Lake. So it's just long, that lake. Ganugaming First Nation, which is the place of the Long Lake. So it's the place of the Long Lake. So it's actually right on the lake, kind of, because Long Lake was more of a big river before. It was more of a big river, and the further down Ganugaming is, it's closer to the lake part, the actual where the lake is. So they are like, that's why it's called Ganugaming, is because the place of the lake. Us guys are more of part of the long area, almost the river now, but it's more lake now. So that's why I would say Gnugama Zagaigan Anishinaabe. Now, if you ever want to find me in T-Bay, all you have to go is Ijan Baka Akwan Wagamagong. Go to the chicken house. Big wedge, Basindueag. Bamape.